Koala Noah helps Josue Coco with graphing even functions. Describe symmetric properties. So here we have y equals x squared, and we also have here y equals x to the fourth power. Now let's consider here y equals f of x. It states even function comes from the power of x. Even functions of x if f of negative x equals f of positive x. Let's consider this a shortcut. And this shortcut is going to apply to every x in the domain. Let's recall y equals x squared. Make some space here. So here we have two even functions, x squared, x to the second power, and on our lower right screen we have x to the fourth power. So the power is going to classify the even. If it is an even function, now let's graph, begin with our y-axis, followed by our x-axis. Let's mark the origin and give a rough sketch here of y equals x squared. So even functions. Okay, recall that f of negative x will equal f of positive x. Applying the shortcut, negative x squared equals x squared. And this correlates simply to the power of x when it is even. On our first quadrant, notice half of the parabola going upwards. Okay, this will signify y equals x squared. Make some space here. Now we'll go ahead and we'll take negative x squared equals x squared. and draw a symmetric line on the second quadrant, curving symmetrically. Let's make some space here. Plot out our first any point within the first quadrant, X, Y. Now we'll we'll draw an imaginary line crossing horizontal till we reach the symmetric line on the second quadrant. And label this negative X, positive Y. Let's minimize our graph here and conclude with a symmetric statement. We'll conclude with y equals x squared, and it is symmetric about the y-axis.